Welcome to today's episode of the Daily AI Brief, where we navigate the latest innovations and insights from the world of artificial intelligence. Packed with groundbreaking releases, pivotal investments, and emerging trends, we'll explore how AI continues to transform industries and beyond. Whether you're tuning in from the backseat of a bustling commute or your coding sanctuary, let's dive in and uncover what's new in AI today. The Technology Innovation Institute, TII, has introduced Falcon Perception, a cutting-edge multimodal AI model designed to integrate visual and linguistic information seamlessly. This model, boasting 600 million parameters, is engineered to perform complex tasks such as open vocabulary grounding and segmentation from natural language cues. At the heart of Falcon Perception is an early fusion transformer architecture. Unlike traditional models that separate vision and language processing, Falcon Perception processes image patches and text tokens together from the outset. This holistic approach utilizes a hybrid attention mechanism, bidirectional among image tokens and causal for prediction tokens, enabling it to excel in dense perception tasks. With this architecture, the model is specifically optimized for interpreting multi-object visual scenes, a critical capability in robotics and automation. Falcon Perception stands out with a macro F1 score of 68.0 on the SACO benchmark, which is a significant leap compared to Meta's SAM3, which achieved a score of 62.3. The efficiency of processing with 600 million parameters allows Falcon Perception to be more suitable for edge devices, such as laptops and other resource-constrained environments, compared to billion-parameter models. This makes it an attractive option for real-world applications, where computational resources and speed are of the essence. Despite its impressive capabilities, Falcon Perception faces challenges. There are concerns about its performance in dynamic real-world environments, which are often less controlled than benchmark scenarios. Additionally, while the early fusion promises seamless task integration, efficiency gains might come at the cost of reduced flexibility in handling unanticipated inputs. The size and structure of competing models, such as Alibaba's Qwen class, which operates on a larger parameter scale, might offer more robustness in certain contexts, raising questions about long-term adoption. For those eager to experiment, the Falcon Perception model is available on Hugging Face. Developers can dive into performance benchmarks on SACO and optical character recognition (OCR) tasks, or explore detailed documentation on TII's website. Practical steps would involve analyzing its application in specific tasks, testing its adaptability in various scenarios, and considering its deployment in sectors like manufacturing for automated inspection systems. In summary, Falcon Perception represents a significant advancement in multimodal AI, potentially revolutionizing areas like robotics, intelligent document processing, and beyond. Its open-source nature encourages collaboration, inviting researchers and developers to refine and push the boundaries of what's achievable with compact, efficient AI models. Miravoice's recent achievement of securing $6.3 million in seed funding marks a transformative point for market research through AI-driven voice agents. The investment, led by notable players such as Unusual Ventures, alongside Neo and angel investors from tech giants like Google and Atlassian, fuels Miravoice's commitment to revolutionizing data collection processes. The core innovation lies in Miravoice's ability to automate phone surveys with unprecedented efficiency. These AI voice agents can conduct up to 120 question surveys, lasting over 40 minutes per call. This marks a significant advancement over traditional surveys, which are labor-intensive and costly due to human involvement. By integrating advanced natural language processing, these AI agents engage seamlessly with respondents across 14 different languages, ensuring a more inclusive data collection approach. In terms of economic impact, Miravoice offers up to 90% savings compared to traditional call centers. Such cost efficiency stems not only from automation, but also from the AI's ability to operate continuously, managing simultaneous calls without downtime. Furthermore, as the company scales, it aims to handle tens of millions of calls, providing a scalable and robust solution for enterprises looking to modernize their survey operations. However, the path forward is not without challenges. The reliance on technology means that ensuring nuanced understanding in conversations, something human interviewers naturally excel at, must be addressed. Extensive training of AI models is crucial to avoid biases and assess complex respondent interactions. Moreover, regulatory issues around data privacy and consent are significant barriers, requiring strict compliance frameworks to ensure consumer protection. Practical steps for those interested include visiting Miravoice's official website for in-depth product insights and following press releases for updates on advancements and industry impacts. Engaging with investor relations pages can also provide further information on strategic goals and financial projections. Despite the hurdles, Miravoice's entrance into the market signifies a potential shift in survey methodologies. By marrying AI technology with traditional market research strategies, they aim to optimize both efficiency and data accuracy. This, coupled with the potential for substantial operational cost reductions, positions Miravoice as a potential leader in AI-driven analytics and data collection. In the broader sense, their success could standardize these cost-effective methods across multiple sectors, encouraging further technological advancements and investment in AI within the market research domain. Arcee AI's recent release of Trinity Large Thinking marks a pivotal moment in the development of advanced reasoning models, offering significant improvements in the efficiency and capability of long-horizon AI applications. This model is built on a cutting-edge sparse mixture of experts, MoE, architecture, which ingeniously leverages 400 billion parameters. Yet, it activates only about 13 billion parameters per token processed. This selective activation not only enhances computational efficiency, but also reduces the energy footprint and resource load during inference, making it a formidable option for extensive computational tasks. One of the standout features of Trinity Large Thinking is its robust support for expansive contextual inputs, boasting a 262K token context window. This capability allows the model to provide outputs of up to 80K tokens, enabling it to handle complex, multi-step reasoning tasks with unparalleled accuracy and coherence. The model's exceptional performance is further highlighted by its impressive scores in benchmark tests. 94.7% on Tor Bench, a rigorous test designed to evaluate long-horizon reasoning capabilities, and 91.9% on Pinchbench, ranking it just below Claude Opus 4.6. The training of Trinity Large Thinking on a colossal 20 trillion token corpus, carefully curated from diverse web content and synthetic data, provides a rich substrate of information, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of various contexts and scenarios. Released under the open Apache 2.0 license, it is accessible through Arcee AI's API and platforms such as Hugging Face, supporting a wide array of applications in commercial and developer environments. Despite its innovative features, the model does pose some challenges, particularly in managing its extensive parameter set. Developers might face difficulties if they are unfamiliar with sparse architectures, as the need for specialized knowledge in efficiently orchestrating the sparse activations is critical. Furthermore, while the SMEBU mechanism proposed for expert balancing is an intriguing feature, empirical validation for its effectiveness remains a key area for ongoing research. Developers interested in leveraging Trinity Large Thinking can integrate it into their applications via Arcee AI's API or explore its capabilities through a public preview available on DigitalOcean's Agentic Inference Cloud. Additionally, resources on Hugging Face provide deployment examples and in-depth guides that can help users maximize the model's reasoning abilities. In conclusion, Trinity Large Thinking is poised to transform complex reasoning for long-horizon planning in AI, presenting a new paradigm for efficiency and capability. By reducing licensing barriers, it stands as a beacon for future innovations in autonomous systems, ushering in a new era of actionable intelligence and advanced decision-making. The evolution of AI agents from simple single-user interaction systems to sophisticated multi-source data processors has expanded their operational capabilities tremendously. However, this advancement has also broadened their attack surface, particularly making them vulnerable to a specific type of threat known as prompt injection attacks. These attacks exploit the AI's inability to distinguish between legitimate and malicious content effectively, embedding harmful instructions within seemingly innocuous data like documents, emails, or even specific web content. Prompt injection attacks have surged in the past 6 to 12 months, as reported by organizations like the Center for Internet Security, CIS, and National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST. The impact of these attacks can be severe, leading to stolen data or unauthorized access and potentially causing substantial financial losses. Case studies have illustrated incidents where prompt injections resulted in compromised security systems, costing companies millions in damages related to data breaches and operational disruptions. To counter these threats, it's vital to develop comprehensive defense strategies that go beyond traditional security measures. A standard approach includes implementing multi-layered defense frameworks that integrate content filtering and hierarchical prompt verifications. These systems are designed not only to monitor and block malicious input effectively, but also to analyze response patterns through multi-stage verification processes before implementing any instructions received via external inputs. Organizations are encouraged to automate monitoring processes and conduct regular audits of AI agent behaviors. These practices can identify potential vulnerabilities and address them proactively. Moreover, it is crucial to continually update training datasets and system prompts to include the latest threat intelligence, which can help AI systems adapt and respond to new and evolving threats more robustly. However, there are trade-offs. While isolated computing environments can certainly reduce the exposure of AI systems to prompt injection, they can also limit the operational capabilities and data accessibility that make AI tools versatile. Balancing the utility provided by AI with the security it requires is a significant challenge currently under debate. Some security experts argue that these protective measures need further testing in real-world applications to assess their true efficacy. As AI continues to permeate more complex and critical aspects of business and technology, ensuring its security becomes not just essential for user trust and integration, but also a necessary step in facilitating technological progress. Proactively addressing these vulnerabilities can enhance AI system designs, paving the way for innovative mitigation technologies and possibly ushering in more stringent regulatory frameworks aimed at AI security. This systematic integration of security practices will be key in successfully deploying AI solutions without compromising their robustness or utility. The integration of AI tools in the e-commerce sector is rapidly escalating, with reports indicating an 88% adoption rate among marketers. However, despite this widespread acceptance, the journey towards achieving full operational efficacy has been fraught with challenges. Only 38% of these marketers report successful, comprehensive integration of AI into their marketing operations. This gap underscores a prevalent uncertainty regarding the return on investment (ROI) from AI applications, as highlighted in studies conducted by SAS and Coleman Parks. E-commerce brands find themselves at a crossroads when it comes to the deployment of AI, particularly generative AI tools. These tools have shown promise in enabling data-driven marketing insights and analytics, offering precise targeting and personalized customer engagement strategies. Yet, integration with existing legacy systems poses significant obstacles. Often, these systems are not naturally equipped for seamless AI adoption, requiring new infrastructural frameworks that are both time-consuming and costly to implement. Another critical consideration is staff training. 38% of marketers cite that inadequate training delays AI tool adoption. This creates a skills gap that hampers the potential for these tools to deliver on their promises. Businesses are hence increasingly exploring comprehensive training resources to equip their teams in maximizing AI utility. Data privacy concerns further complicate AI implementation strategies. With 47% of marketers identifying privacy as a major concern, the ethical use of AI becomes a priority area. Companies are called to adhere to stringent data protection regulations like GDPR, ensuring transparency and consumer trust. Despite these hurdles, the potential ROI from AI tools remains a strong allure. In fact, a striking 93% of chief marketing officers, CMOs, reported clear ROI from generative AI in a recent study, with many planning to continue or increase their budgets for these tools through 2026. However, For the 96% of UK retail leaders still struggling to see tangible returns, the application of AI has often been fragmented. This lack of cohesion prevents companies from reaping the full benefits of AI technology. Practical steps for overcoming these challenges include assessing the compatibility of existing systems with new AI technologies and focusing on end-to-end process transformations rather than isolated implementations. Businesses can draw insights from case studies on successful integrations, which provide valuable lessons and best practices. In addition, formulation and adherence to ethical frameworks for AI usage in marketing can safeguard against potential privacy breaches and reinforce brand integrity. Ultimately, the key takeaway for e-commerce brands is the importance of strategic integration and ongoing adaptation to ensure that AI tools contribute positively toward business objectives. The path to realizing tangible returns from AI is not merely about adoption. It requires thoughtful deployment, continuous training, and a focus on cohesive operational workflows. The emergence of self-healing AI agents is a significant breakthrough in the realm of artificial intelligence and software engineering. Leveraging innovative technologies like Agent Devel's deployment pipeline, these agents autonomously detect and rectify software regressions. This capability markedly reduces the necessity for human intervention during deployment processes, aligning with the broader industry trend towards automation. Agent Devel implements a regression-aware release pipeline specifically designed for large language model (LLM) agents. This approach reframes AI development by treating these agents as shippable artifacts, akin to traditional software releases. By doing so, the system achieves increased stability and reproducibility, essential for auditing and ensuring reliable performance across various environmental conditions. The pipeline features an implementation blind critic and uses script-based executables for diagnosing issues. This allows the agents to maintain a single canonical version, adhering to rigorous gating mechanisms that focus on non-regression and the reproducibility of results. These features are vital for establishing trust in the system's reliability and streamlining the audit processes. Moreover, the shift from in-agent improvement methods to externalized developments marks a paradigm shift, promising quicker deployment times and enhanced reliability. Yet, this transition comes with its set of challenges. Practical scalability, governance, and particularly security implications require careful consideration. A key concern is ensuring that autonomous systems do not introduce vulnerabilities that could be exploited. Benchmarks set by Agent Devel indicate a projected reduction in deployment times and human oversight, although empirical validations under real-world conditions are still necessary. Reports suggest this transition from pilot deployments to fully autonomous models could significantly enhance operational efficiency, allowing AI systems to adapt dynamically and evaluate their performance in real time. For those eager to delve further into this groundbreaking technology, resources such as the LangChain blog and the Agent Devel Arcee paper offer detailed insights into the underlying methodologies and implications of deploying self-healing AI systems. These resources provide a foundation for understanding the potential of these systems to redefine benchmarks for software reliability in complex AI infrastructure. Ultimately, the prospect of self-healing AI pipelines holds transformative potential. By automating the detection and resolution of software issues, they could set new standards in software development, promoting efficient and reliable deployments. However, achieving widespread implementation and addressing accompanying challenges, like navigating security and scaling concerns, will be essential to harnessing these systems' full benefits. In a pivotal move, Block, under the leadership of Jack Dorsey, has acquired a psychological technology company to enhance its artificial intelligence capabilities, focusing particularly on user behavior analysis. This acquisition is a strategic part of a broader trend in the tech industry, where companies are actively integrating AI to interpret and respond to human interactions more effectively. The decision comes on the heels of Block reducing its workforce by over 4,000 employees, which accounts for nearly 40% of its total. This reduction was driven by AI advancements that enable the company to shift towards more AI-centric operational models. These changes illustrate a significant realignment, where AI tools are not just about operational efficiency, they are transformative in how companies engage with their users. By acquiring a psychological tech firm, Block intends to incorporate psychological insights into its AI tools, aiming to streamline operations and refine decision-making processes, which promises to enhance the overall user experience. The integration of psychological technology into AI frameworks facilitates a more nuanced analysis of user behavior, offering unparalleled insights that can transform product development and marketing strategies. For example, AI models enhanced with psychological data can predict user needs or preferences with greater accuracy, enabling tailored experiences that engage customers on a deeper level. This could lead to a 20 to 30% increase in user retention rates, setting a new benchmark in the industry. From a practical standpoint, companies that follow Block's example could monitor the acquisition's impact through key performance indicators, KPIs, such as user engagement metrics and customer satisfaction scores. This requires collecting data on user interactions and analyzing these patterns with AI-driven tools to identify areas for improvement. The move aligns with larger industry trends that involve reassessing workforce structures in light of AI advancements. Analysis of these integrations might reveal efficiency improvements, like a reduction in time needed for decision-making processes by up to 50%, supporting Dorsey's vision that intelligence tools are crucial for building future-proof businesses. However, there are trade-offs. While AI can provide efficiency, the long-term impact on employee morale due to layoffs remains uncertain. Moreover, while the psychological approach to AI is promising, its efficacy in yielding accurate behavioral insights still needs thorough validation. Looking forward, Block's strategy could set a precedent, encouraging companies to explore the convergence of AI and psychology as a means to achieve competitive advantage in user management. Industries may witness a shift where AI-driven adaptability becomes essential, and companies that effectively leverage these technologies could redefine traditional business operations. This positioning could not only enhance customer engagement, but potentially increase stock performance, benefiting investors who prioritize firms with robust AI strategies and clear paths to leveraging human interaction insights. HeyGen, a pivotal player in the AI video generation landscape, is transforming the way we conceive video creation. Founded in 2020, this burgeoning platform already supports over 100,000 businesses globally, offering powerful tools that democratize content creation by equipping non-technical users with the ability to fashion highly realistic avatars and videos. The platform's user-friendly interface, tailored for non-editors, makes it accessible for individuals and businesses lacking traditional video production skills. One of HeyGen's standout features is its advanced lip-sync technology, which ensures realistic video outputs by aligning audio in multiple languages seamlessly with the avatar's on-screen speech. This technology is crucial for applications in corporate training, product demonstrations, and marketing explainers. However, while the platform excels in technical precision, it faces challenges in imbuing avatars with emotional realism, an aspect critical for applications in sensitive or nuanced settings. HeyGen's innovation extends beyond basic avatar creation. Recent updates, namely in July 2025 and January 2026, introduced screen recording, generative B-roll, and a rebuilt avatar creation flow, enhancing production quality and user experience. These tools allow users to create narrative-rich content through dynamic visual storytelling, offering companies versatile solutions to convey complex ideas effectively. Despite these advantages, potential users must navigate certain limitations, especially concerning pricing models. The Creator Plan, limiting users to 10 minutes of Avatar 4 credits per month, has stirred concerns among small businesses and independent creators about affordability and access. Moreover, the free plan, though useful for initial exploration, is perhaps too restricted for comprehensive use, thereby necessitating upgrades to unlock the platform's full potential. Pragmatic users looking to explore HeyGen's capabilities can start by visiting the website to access demo features and explore the interface. This hands-on trial can help prospective users assess whether the platform aligns with their specific needs. Testing the free plan can offer a preliminary assessment, while guidance available on HeyGen's blog ensures users remain informed about the latest updates and best practices. HeyGen's strategic integration with Canva, announced in March 2026, signifies a substantial development. This integration allows for direct avatar video creation, broadening the platform's appeal and usability. Such collaborative features signify a shift towards more holistic digital content solutions, bridging gaps between various software ecosystems and enabling streamlined workflows. In summary, HeyGen stands out in the competitive AI video generation market, competing with platforms like Synthesia and DID. While challenges such as pricing constraints and avatar emotiveness exist, HeyGen's potential to impact corporate communication strategies through accessible and flexible video production tools is undeniable. As digital content creation evolves, platforms like HeyGen are not just players in the field, but are actively reshaping the landscape, encouraging more diverse and innovative content creation pathways. Thus, the proliferation of AI-driven video production tools like HeyGen might stimulate further advancements in AI, enhancing user experience while fostering new creative and educational opportunities globally. That wraps up today's episode of the Daily AI Brief. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the latest in AI innovation. Be sure to subscribe and tune in tomorrow as we continue to explore the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence.